Hi, I'm Flight Sergeant Cook from 56 Woolwich Squadron, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a Basha in your back garden. First thing you need to do is to get all your equipment ready. So here I have a tarpaulin with some ropes attached, or you can use a Basha with some bungee cords. You're also going to need some tent pegs and also a stick to prop it up with. You're also going to need a tree so that you can attach your Basha to it.
Get creative with it and use whatever items you have around you. For example, if you don't have a Basha, you could use a trampoline cover or a tarpaulin. Instead of bungee cords, you can use rope or string, and if you don't have tent pegs, you can always use sticks that you find. The next thing you're going to want to do is to unravel your tarpaulin and then attach one of the corners to your tree. Again, get creative with it. It doesn't have to be a tree, it could be any other sort of post. This corner is going to become part of the front of your Basha. Next, put tent pegs in the back two corners. For the next step, you'll want to attach a piece of rope to the other front corner and then tent peg that to the ground.
So if your back garden Basha is a bit too low like mine is, you're going to need to get a stick or a Basha pole to raise it up. So there you have it, your very own back garden Basha that you can build during lockdown.
So here's how my finished Basha turned out. But don't worry if you don't have a way to set one of these up outside, because there's a very easy way to set one up inside with a bit of creativity. What you'll want to do is find a large blanket or a bedsheet and two elevated points to support it. Next, you're going to want to improvise a way to keep the front end up. I did this by using a pillow to hold up one side and by trapping the other side in a drawer. Finally, all you need to do is weigh down the back end and your indoor Basha is complete. Now for the challenge. We want you to make your own lockdown Basha, either inside or outside. Take a video of it and send it to the 56 Woolwich Squadron Instagram page as a direct message.